I'm Peter Holt.
And I'm Corinna Holt-Richter.
Welcome to HOLT Manufacturing. We're proud to say we've come full circle and we are back to our roots here at Holt.
It all began in the late 1800s. Our great-great-grandfather Benjamin Holt was a natural innovator and inventor. He revolutionized farming with the first link-belt combine harvester, and in 1904 developed the first successful track-type tractor, which he named the Caterpillar.
Today, Holt Cat is the largest Caterpillar equipment dealership in the United States, with a long legacy of innovation in manufacturing. For the last 60 years, Holt has been taking unique customer problems and turning them into custom-designed attachments, tools, components, and special application machines.
Now, HOLT Manufacturing carries on that legacy with an experienced team focused on innovating, building, manufacturing, engineering, and problem solving, exactly like Benjamin Holt did many years ago. We can make your ideas become reality.
My name's Chase Hamilton. I work for Rummel Construction. I'm Rummel Construction's asset manager. I've been with the company 7 years. My job entails the acquisition and disposal of the equipment in our fleet. We have a pretty amazing fleet. We have D10s, D9s, D6s, large excavators down to mini excavators, motor graders, but the heartbeat of Rummel's fleet is our scraper fleet. And if you don't have like a Spray King water pool to meet that demand, your productivity will fail. And we have purchased 3 of the Holt Spray Kings with an additional coming in the next quarter. So what sold us for buying the Spray Kings, the main concern was the build of the tank, the way the baffles interlocked in it. The other main thing was the hydraulic system running the spray heads. It's not something you'll find on another G model right now, so it gives our mechanics that time to learn them before the K series takes over. What's exceeded our expectations here at Rummel Construction was just the product support, the dependability of Holt and the Spray King. We use the 8K Spray King for water control, dust control, compaction. It's been a great piece. So I would definitely recommend the Holt Spray King for the dependability, the lack of downtime, and the great customer service we get from Holt.
We're a heavy equipment rental company for any heavy machinery. I mean, we're 100% Caterpillar, serve the construction and mining industries. Our specialty is scrapers, 657s, we own 72 of them. And then all the support that comes with it, coming from 621 water poles to D10 dozers and blades. And then for mining, we got haul trucks, excavators, loaders. We're based out of Temecula, California, and Las Vegas, Nevada. We work all over the United States, but we've been into Mexico, Canada, and we'll go anywhere. Holt's been nothing but good to us. They're one of the best dealers by far, and they're nothing but helpful. We want longevity. We don't buy something for one job. We buy it for long term, and some of our scrapers we've had, since the 80s, so they last, and that's what we need. So this is a water pole. It's basically sprays water out of it, keeps the dust down. You need it for compaction. We get the drop tank ones because, like I said, they work with our scrapers, and you can actually lower that tank and use it like a blade and knock windrows down, or see something in the haul road, you can level it out. We got the 621K mainly for the emissions. It's got a Tier 4 C13 engine. In the state of California especially, you got to be compliant with their emission laws, and we always want to stay above and beyond what the requirement is, so we're proud to lead that march, as you want to say. The durability, it can go anywhere, and it's basically based off a scraper, so it works with the scrapers. Wherever the scraper can go, this thing can pretty much go. This model is top of the line. It's got an electronic touchscreen for all the controls on it. It's got the vertical mounted pump. It's got the standard sprayers. You got the nozzle on the side where you can wash down things. Big thing with Holt is they listen to their customers. Everything down to the baffles in the tank, how they're laid out, and they did good on it. So the pump on this one, they put a vertical pump. That makes the maintenance easy, that's just daily servicing. It's a mechanic's dream to have something simple that's easy to get to like that, and they did that on this model. So we have several Holt tanks already on our articulated trucks, and they've been phenomenal, so we don't expect anything different with this. It'll be just the layout, how they did the tank, the shape of it and all that. They did good. So I'd recommend Holt to anybody and everybody. We do actually. If people are looking for something, we refer Holt, and no, it's a pleasure working with them. And